OTC pharmaceutical market has undergone a significant transformation. No longer just a place for quick fixes, the OTC aisle has become a comprehensive hub for preventative health, metabolic management, and advanced self-diagnostics. The following list breaks down the top 10 most sold categories in detail, reflecting the health priorities of a post-pandemic, aging, and tech-integrated society. 1. Multi-symptom respiratory relief. The cough, cold, and flu category remains the undisputed volume leader. In 2026, consumers have moved away from single-ingredient bottles in favor of complex all-in-one liquid caps. These products address fever, congestion, cough, and body aches simultaneously. A notable driver in 2026 is the multiplex trend. Products marketed specifically to be taken alongside home diagnostic tests for flu, COVID-19, and RSV. Sales are also bolstered by natural adjacent options that add honey or elderberry to traditional pharmaceutical ingredients like dextromethorphan. 2. Dual-action and targeted analgesics. Pain management is the second largest category by unit volume, but the chemistry has changed. 2026 marks the peak popularity of dual-action tablets that combine acetaminophen and ibuprofen into a single pill. This formulation is highly successful because it offers superior pain relief with lower individual doses of each drug, reducing the risk of side effects. Additionally, migraine-specific OTC formulas containing caffeine and aspirin have seen a resurgence as work-from-home eye strain becomes a more common complaint. 3. Bioavailable vitamins and optimization packs. The vitamin aisle in 2026 has evolved from generic alphabet vitamins, A, B, C, to active form supplements. The top sellers are methylated B vitamins, vitamin D3K2 combinations, and high-absorption magnesium glycinate. Consumers are increasingly buying optimization packs, pre-portioned daily strips targeted at specific goals like cognitive focus, sleep recovery, or immune defense. This shift from bulk bottles to daily dose packaging has significantly increased the dollar value of this category. 4. Microbiome-focused digestive health. Gut health is a massive revenue driver in 2026. Probiotics are no longer seen as a sometimes supplement. They are daily essentials for millions. The top-selling products are shelf-stable multi-strain capsules with at least 50 billion CFUs. Furthermore, the market has expanded into postbiotics and specialized enzymes that target specific food sensitivities like lactose or gluten. This category also includes advanced acid reducers, PPIs, which remain high-volume staples for the management of chronic heartburn. 5. Metabolic support and GLP-1 shadow care. One of the fastest-growing niches in 2026 is OTC support for patients on prescription weight loss medications. This has created a shadow market of top-selling companion products. Because GLP-1 drugs can lead to muscle loss and digestive issues, pharmacies are seeing record sales of high-leucine protein powders, daily electrolyte sachets to combat dehydration, and high-viscosity fiber supplements like psyllium husk to manage gastrointestinal side effects. 6. Year-round allergy and environmental relief. Climate shifts in 2026 have resulted in perpetual allergy seasons in many regions. Consequently, second-generation antihistamines like cetirizine, loratadine, and fexofenadine are sold in massive 90-day and 120-day value packs. Nasal corticosteroids, like fluticasone, have also seen a jump in sales as they are increasingly recommended as a first-line daily preventative, rather than a reactive treatment for seasonal flares. 7. Topical active delivery pain management. As the population ages, there is a distinct move away from oral pills toward topical applications to avoid systemic side effects. 2026 sales are dominated by diclofenac sodium gels, formerly prescription only, and high-concentration lidocaine patches. A new subcategory of warming/cooling hybrid rubs using advanced transdermal delivery systems has also captured a significant portion of the Gen X and Boomer demographic, looking to maintain an active lifestyle despite joint wear. 8. Sleep hygiene and natural sedatives. In a high-stress, high-screen-time society, sleep aids have become a top 10 staple. In 2026, there is a move away from heavy sedatives like diphenhydramine toward physiological aids. Time-release melatonin, L-theanine, and tart cherry extracts are the primary sellers. These are often sold in gummy or liquid form, emphasizing the trend of confectionery medicine, making the act of taking supplements more palatable and routine. 9. Clinical-grade barrier repair, dermatology. The skincare as healthcare movement has moved dermatological products to the top of the pharmacy charts. In 2026, the top-selling items are barrier repair creams containing ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. Brands that bridge the gap between beauty and medicine, offering products for eczema, rosacea, and severely dry skin, are moving more units than traditional cosmetic brands as consumers prioritize skin health over aesthetic masking. 10. Home diagnostics and health monitoring. The final spot belongs to the hardware of the OTC world. By 2026, the most sold items include more than just bandages and thermometers. Rapid multiplex test kits that detect multiple respiratory viruses at once are high-volume sellers. Additionally, smart blood pressure cuffs and pulse oximeters that sync with smartphone apps have become standard household items, purchased OTC to help patients monitor the effects of their other medications in real time.